Hello again. Now in this video guide we will see how we will go through each lab session. So this will be the lab session workflow by using the source code that we will manage in GitHub as a repository. So you will learn basically how to use Git in each session of the lab. Before you follow this guide, you should create your GitHub account because we are going to use this GitHub account during this video. So what we need to do is we need to fork and clone the laboratory session the GitHub repository. The first step is to fork the lab's GitHub repository. For this, we should go to github.com and there we should enter the URL of the GitHub repository of the lab, which is github.com/cdparra/introsde. Here you will find the fork button, which you should do this after you log in your account. After you fork, a copy of the laboratory repository will be created in your account. Now, let's go to clone this into your computer. So for this, we copy your GitHub repository copy URL. Then we open git bash in your command line. There you should create a folder and then enter this folder. And inside that folder, so we are creating now the folder, and now we will enter the folder. And now we need to execute the following command. We need to execute git clone and then you copy the GitHub repository URL of your repository copy. You do this by clicking here, yeah. Now you hit enter in this comment, and now the repository copy that you have created is being copied into your computer. Now we need to keep your copy connected to the original repository. So this we are going to enter again the folder, and here we are going to execute this command. We are going to add the original repository as a remote. So for this we use git remote add, and then you should copy here. So let's go to find the original URL of the laboratory repository, which was this one. Here we go back to the bash and we copy the URL after the word upstream. So this is the name of our remote, upstream. Using this name, we can, in the subsequent sessions of the lab, we can fetch and merge updates in this lab. So for this, we will do git fetch upstream, which will bring all the new changes in the lab original repository, and then we can do git merge upstream master in order to merge all these changes in your local version. And this will be the workflow that we are going to do in the lab. So before each session of the lab, make sure to remember to enter your GitHub local folder, GitHub repository local folder, and execute git fetch upstream and then git merge upstream master. That's it for now.